In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ElevenLabs text-to-speech audio in just one click. We'll guide you through the process, making it simple and quick so you can start using your audio files right away. Before diving into the details, I want to let you know about our affiliate link for ElevenLabs. If you're interested in signing up, we'd really appreciate it if you could use our link. It's a great way to support our channel and ensure that we can keep bringing you helpful content like this. So, you've generated your text-to-speech audio using ElevenLabs, and now you're ready to download it. It couldn't be easier to do. Once you've created the audio you want, you'll notice a convenient download button located just below the prompt where your text input was entered. Clicking this button is the most straightforward method, allowing you to instantly download your newly created file without any hassle. However, if you're looking to explore further or if you need to find a previously generated audio file, head over to the History tab on the right sidebar. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your generated text-to-speech audios, perfectly organized for easy access. In the History section, you can click on each of the audio files to play them. This feature is especially useful if you want to ensure you have the correct version before downloading. Simply listen to each file, and once you've identified the right one, just hover over it. A download button will appear, allowing you to swiftly and effortlessly save the audio file to your device. Now, there's also another handy feature I'd like to mention. If the audio you have generated is already playing, you'll notice there's a media controls bar that pops up at the bottom of your screen. Alongside the play and pause controls, this bar also features a download button. So, while enjoying your audio playback, you can also seize the opportunity to download it directly from there. This feature gives you flexibility, ensuring that no matter how you prefer to interact with your audio files, you're covered. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, downloading your ElevenLabs text-to-speech audio files becomes a breeze. Remember, whether you choose to download straight from the prompt, through the History tab, or while using the Media Controls bar, each method is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. We hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to understand. Don't forget to check out that affiliate link if you're considering signing up. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy creating!